Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing a yummy and spicy tomato garlic chutney recipe. It is an absolute favorite in my household, so thought of sharing with you guys. So guys, let's get started with the recipe. So the ingredients that we need are 3 tomatoes diced, 2 red and green chilies, few garlic cloves. Also we need salt as per taste, half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and also 1 red dried chili. Make a rough paste of the garlic cloves. Take a karai and put 2 tablespoons of oil. This recipe also works very well with mustard oil. Once the oil is heated, drop the red chili into the oil and stir it for a little while. Put the garlic paste into the oil and stir it well so that it doesn't stick to the karai. Put the red chilies and the green chilies into the oil and stir them well. Now add the diced tomatoes into the pan and stir them. Also, it's time for the spices. So I'm adding the haldi powder, then I'll be adding red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder and salt. Stir again and cover them with the lid. Not to mention, I am cooking the whole recipe on low flame. We have to keep an eye on the recipe and also stir in between. After at least 5 to 6 minutes, I am opening the lid and then I'll be adding a little water. Now smash the tomatoes like the way I am doing in this video. Stir the chutney for a little while and then close the lid and let it cook for at least 5 to 6 minutes. So the chutney is now ready. We are looking for this type of consistency. Please do try this recipe with your loved ones today. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.